My name is Jerry and I work as a sales representative for Yongming. Hello and welcome to the world of KTF5-3000 sunflower seed shelling and sorting machine. This great device is specially designed for sunflower seed shelling, but it can also handle buckwheat and hemp seeds. It has been developed for 12 years by our research and development team, and it can guarantee the quality and capacity of your sunflower kernels. KTF5-3000 sunflower seed shelling machine is the latest product launched by our company. It mainly consists of 3 systems: a feeding system, a shelling system, and a sorting system. There is 2 elevators in the sunflower seed shelling machine. It timely and stably feeds raw materials and recycled materials into the shelling and sorting system. It can crush shells and remove the husks and lighter impurities after shelling while ensuring that the sunflower kernels are less damaged. Then, the processed mixture is sent to the selection system. The unshelled materials are sent to the shelling system for secondary shelling by the feeder, and broken kernels are discharged from the broken kernel outlet, while finished products are discharged from the finished product outlet. The close cooperation of the 3 systems can effectively improve performance and ensure kernel integrity. Our company's research and development team equipped renowned brand vibration motors to the KTF5-3000 sunflower seed shelling machine for stable and durable. We have also innovatively developed a recycled material processing system, which greatly improves the whole kernel rate of finished products based on higher capacity, and reduces production losses to a minimum. It has the advantages of high output, high whole kernel rate, integrated dust removal system, small occupation, and convenient maintenance. It can match a pulse jet bag dust collector for a better environment. After years of practical experience and research and development improvement, the KTF5-3000 sunflower seed shelling machine has launched 5 generations of updated products. Based on the initial sunflower shelling machine, we have expanded a variety of nut shelling equipment such as buckwheat shelling machine, hemp seed shelling machine, walnut shelling machine, etc. The KTF5-3000 sunflower seed shelling machine covers an area of 24 square meters, and the whole kernel rate can reach 96%. The total power of the machine is 32.3 kilowatts, which can achieve a processing capacity of about 1.5 to 2.0 tons of raw materials per hour. It is an ideal choice for you to achieve cost reduction and production improvement. That's all for today's introduction of the KTF5-3000 sunflower seed shelling and sorting machine. If you are interested in this machine or want to know more details, please contact us anytime. We will provide you with professional consultation and detailed explanations. Thank you for watching and see you next time.